two traders enter the same market, same strategy, same setup. One stay calm, the other overthink, hesitate, close too early, and then start revenge trading. Because he is attached to money, to being right, to avoiding losses. But here's the truth, the market doesn't care about your emotions, it doesn't reward desperation, it punishes it. The moment you need a trade to work, you have already lost. That is what Buddha meant by attachment. When you are attached, you suffer. And in trading, when you suffer, you made a bad decision. Buddha technique was called as upekha, the art of equanimity. It means remaining calm, balanced, and detached to outcome. He didn't resist reality. He didn't fight against what should happen. He just observed without fear, without greed. Now look at the 1% of traders. They think the same way. They aren't chasing. They aren't forcing. They just trade what's there. They understand something that most traders never get. The market is an illusion. Buddha taught that reality is just a perception and the market is the same. There is no bullish or bearish, no good trade, no bad trade. It's all neutral. But the moment you attach emotion to it, you create suffering. A losing trade isn't painful, it's just information. But if you attach your self worth to it, if you think it defines you, now it's painful. But pain isn't from the loss, it's from your mindset. This is what separates the 1% from 99 others. How you can actually apply Upeka and become profitable. This is the most important part in this video. Detach from the outcome. Accept that you can't control the market. You can only control how you react. Trade what you see, not what you want. If the setup is there, take it. If not, then walk away from. No forcing, no chasing. Embrace uncertainty. The market is never predictable, it's unpredictable. If you can flow with it instead of fighting it, you can win. Most traders never reach this level because they are trading with fear, with greed, with attachment. But when you finally let go, that's when you become dangerous. The best trader don't just master charts, they master themselves. So next time you trade, you take a trade, ask yourself, am I trading with attachment or am I trading with upeka? Because the difference between failure and success, it's all in your mind. If this video gives you real value, hit like, subscribe and drop a comment below down there. What the biggest mindset shift you had done in trading. I'll see you in the next one. Trade smart, stay detached and keep leveling up. Thank you for watching this video.